let's go ahead and take the derivative of this. We're going to be using the product rule, not once, but twice. So, if we're looking for y prime, we should group it. I'm gonna call this our first function. I'll call that grouping our first function. So, it's the product rule. That's the derivative of the first times the second. Oh! But here our first has a product in it. So then it has a product rule in it. So it's the derivative of the first 2x times the second sine x plus the derivative of the second cosine x times the first x squared. That's when we were taking the derivative of this. That was the derivative of the first, and then we're going to take that and we're going to multiply it by the second tangent x. That was just in the first product. We had a product rule. Now, the product rule, that's f times g. Fig, that should be just times. And we're looking for the derivative. That's the derivative of the first times the second plus the derivative of the second times the first. I bring this up because we've only done this piece. Now we're going to do that piece. It's the derivative of the second times the first, where this piece was my second piece. So now we'll do that. It's the derivative of the first times the second plus the derivative of the second. What's the derivative of tangent? Secant squared. Derivative of the second times the first. Oh, can we clean that up any? Pretty ugly, but it's got to have a nice form. Anyway, we'll end this here, and then we'll play with it, just so that this doesn't get too long.